Drone clips you have seen in the intro part that have been color graded using DaVinci Resolve. Yes, we all know that DaVinci Resolve is the best color grading tool that you can use, and most of the professionals use Resolve to color grade their videos. But getting started with Resolve took a lot of time for me, and I believe a lot of people out there who want to color grade video in Resolve but doesn't know how you can get started in Resolve. Today I'm going to show you how you can very easily color grade your video in Resolve using a plugin called Retouch for Me Color Match OFX. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Here I have already placed some clips and audio accordingly to make a simple sequence. If I play it back, so very simple clips. I have recorded the video using a drone which is DJI Mini 4 Pro, and all the video clips have been recorded using D-Log M log profile. So to color grade the video, I need to go to the color tab, and here you can see there is a node. Basically, the DaVinci Resolve is a node-based video editor, and you have to apply all the color grade here on the node. You can add different node just by right-clicking here, and then go to, you can add corrector, parallel mixer, layer mixer, key mixer. So if you want to correct a node, just click here. You can just click and drag here to place in between the nodes. So this is basically our source clip, and this is the first node. Then this is the second node, and this is the final output. Like in Adobe Premiere Pro, when we apply effects, the effect works sequentially, right? The first effect works first, then the next. And here also, if we change anything here on this node, that change will be carried out to this next node. So if you want to color correct the video, you need to use the first node, then you can color grade the video here, and so on. So let's see how you can color grade the video using Retouch for Me Color Match OFX. But before doing that, we need to color correct the video. As the video have been recorded using log profile, we need to convert from log to Rec 709. How you can do that? Select the first video clip. So that is the video clip we are going to work with. Select the appropriate frame, maybe this frame or this frame, and then go to LUT section. If you click on LUTs, you'll see all the LUTs, and here if you click DJI folder, you'll see all the DJI conversion LUT. So I'll just use this one, which is D-Log to Rec 709, as the video have been shot using D-Log M picture profile. So if I just double click here, that LUT have been applied. You can see already the video clip is looking great. So if you want to change the exposure or anything, you need to add a secondary LUT before applying the correction LUT. So I'll just right click here, then if I go to add node and then corrector, I can place it before the correction LUT, right? So this is our correction LUT node, and this is the basic node. Here you can change the highlights. If you want to change the gain, here you can do that. You can change the gamma if you want. So that's the basic exposure control. This is our correction LUT, and next let's add a new node. So if I go to corrector, add a new node, and I'll just place it after the LUT node, right? So this is our third node, and here we'll apply Retouch for Me Color Match OFX. If I go here, and at the end of the effects section, you'll see Retouch for Me Color Match OFX plugin. If I just click and drag it here, I can apply this effect. So if you want to use the plugin, you need to download the plugin first. So I'll just put a link in the description below. You can just click on the first link in the description and download the plugin. So when you purchase this plugin, if you apply JP20 coupon code, you will get 20% off. So if you really like this plugin, you can buy the plugin and be sure to apply JP20 coupon code to get 20% off on your purchase. So if you select the third node now, you'll see here Retouch for Me Color Match OFX plugin. You can change the temperature, you can change the tint if you want. You can reset it from here, and also you can add keyframe from this section, right? But the most important part of this plugin is choose reference image. You can use reference image to color grade your video. So if I select choose reference image, I can select the image. Suppose here is the image. If I show you the actual image, if I open it, you can see very colorful video. You can copy this color grading and apply it on your video. So let's see how you can do that. Select the reference image that you want to use. Suppose I want to use this one, then select open. It will be applied here. There you will see 4 different sliders. So the first one is color match blend. If you want to have less color match, you can just decrease the slider. It will decrease the overall color, right? So if I max it out, you can see the look. And from the next section, that is match smoothing. If you just use it, it will smooth out the color and exposure a bit, right? I'll just keep it 0. And the next one is match luminance. So here retouch for me color match OFX already applied the color match and it also matched the luminance. If you decrease the luminance, here is the actual luminance of your video clip, and if I increase it, that is the reference image exposure. So if you want to have your own exposure or luminance, you can use this one, or you can just use the slider to match it out. I'll just keep it there. And the next one is match color. If you want to match the color, you can match it. If you want to have less color match, you can decrease it. Right there you can see it is looking great, right? So if you want to reset it, you can just click here, or you can choose a different image. Suppose I want to use this one, then click open and you can select the settings from there, right? So if I show you the before and after, this is the before and this is the after. So that is how you can copy a color grading from a reference image and apply it to a video. I'll not use this one, I'll just reset it. I'll use their LUT store. There are a lot of LUT that you can use from their store. If you click here on this LUT manager, you can go to the LUT manager, and from here you can use different LUT, right? So there you can see your LUT, favorite LUT, then LUT store, top 25, and there are also a lot of LUTs. If I go to their LUT store, I can see there are different LUT that you can download and use for your video. And here also, if you enter to this folder, you will get more LUTs. You can use those LUTs for your video. I'll not use that. I'll just get back to the home page, and from there I will go to top 25 section, and from there I will use maybe this one. No, let's see, I'll use this one. So if I just double click here, I can apply this LUT directly on my video, and there I can change the LUT blend. If I decrease the blend, it will have less effect on my video. I'll just keep it maybe 0.5% or 6. So that is the before and that is the after. Now we need to apply the color grading to all the clips. How you can do that? Select the first video that you have already color graded, and then press shift on your keyboard and select the last one, and then get back to the first one, right click on top of the first clip, and then apply grade. If you click here, there will be a pop-up window. You can just press replace. It will apply the color grading effect to all of the clips on your timeline, right? So let's wait for a while. Yeah, it has done. Let's get back to edit section. So if I play it back, so pretty simple workflow. That is a very handy tool if you are very beginner in Resolve like me. You can use this plugin to color grade your videos, and you can get very good looking footage. So if you want to try the plugin, you can click on the first link in the description, and be sure to apply the coupon code JP20 to get 20% off on your purchase. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Until then, take care and goodbye.